What's up everyone? Today I'll be applying graphics to my Fox 36 fork. These are the Lyric Metal Green decals by Slik Graphics. These are the original decals that came on the bike. You're going to want to wash the bike first to get any grime and dust off. I used 91% isopropyl alcohol to get any remaining grease and dirt off. So you'll want to dampen a clean towel and wipe off the fork in one direction. Then wipe it off with a clean, dry section to get any excess isopropyl off. The next step is to use painter's tape to mark off the location of the original decals, like so. Slowly start peeling the old decal off. If it's cold, it will be more likely to break. These decals are prone to breaking, so I suggest trying to pull off small sections at a time. Once the decal is completely removed, you'll want to remove any residue. This kit does include a lint-free towel that works well for this purpose. When you grab your decals, make sure you have the correct side. They're labeled in the top corner. There's also a front centerline marked if you don't decide to use painter's tape. Place the new decals lined up with your tape marks, starting in the center and working your ways out, making sure to get out any air bubbles as you go. Once it's placed, you can remove the tape. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And here's the final result. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to be always adventuring.